guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with week 11, episode 2 of Dee Dee's 3 and 15 challenge. I am using pieces from 2 of Tracy Fox's kits this time. Mainly I'm using pieces from her Layered Tags kit. And then I also have a few little words here from her Tiny Tags and Words, but I'll link that in the description box below so you can check it out. So this week is all about charms and little dangly pieces. And I love these so very much. I don't make enough of these, so Dee Dee, thank you for this, this week's challenges. All right, I've done some pre-cutting, and you know, I'm doing things a bit differently than Dee Dee, just because 1, she's doing Christmas theme, and 2, I don't know, sometimes I like to mix it up and do it a little bit differently. So instead of making these just, you know, straight cut tags, I decided to use my little tag punch here. And these are about, these 2 of them are 2 inches across. They're wide, so that's perfect. One of them is a bit less than 2, so I'll have to just be careful when I line it up, but I think that's super cute. So these are the 2-inch ones. So they fit in here perfectly. How cute is that? And then this one is just a bit off, so I'm gonna try and eyeball it. You know what? I might do it this way, so I can really see what's happening. You know, it'll probably still be a tad off, but that's okay. All right, let's go for it. There we go. Cute. All right, so we're done with that. Let's put that aside. All right. And then, let's see, I need to ink these up. First of all. So I hope you're all having a good day. I'm trying, let's see, I think, you know, I'm such a goober. I got eyelets out, but I'm not going to end up using eyelets because these have holes already punched. That's fine. All right, this is the only, well, I might have to do a little bit of inking, but I've done a lot of the pre-work here, so you won't have to watch too much boring inking and such. All right, now, do I want to put reinforcers? I think I will. Grab those. Whoops, sorry about that. Shake the whole table. Oh, and of course I'm not going to have enough. I'll have to make some more. I'm like 1 short. All right, let's see. I need a piece of paper. So I don't know if I think I've done this before, but if you buy the paper eyelets, so they can't be the glossy coated ones, you can like just use your Distress ink or other ink, whatever you have, and color them yourself. So way cheaper than buying the colored ones, and you can do any color you want. So if I remember, I will link, do my best, but just ask if it's not there. I will link to the paper eyelets that I buy on Amazon. And then you can, you know, let me write that down actually. They're not eyelets, they're reinforcers. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and put those on here. Just, you know, it'll help keep them. I think it looks nice too, but it will help, you know, give some strength to that, you know, hole. And I think it just kind of adds something nice. I'm not sure why I have, they should be even numbers. I always use 2 at a time, so I'm not sure why I have 1. It really bothers me. I probably will just like throw that out because when am I going to use 1? That's upsetting. Okay. Oh, all right. Here we go. Okay, and then I cut some pieces from that same kit by Tracy for pockets. And I know it's going to cover up some of the, you know, the design, but it's okay. I think it's just a different type of thing. But now I'm wondering if that's too long or too tall. I have these little tags that I punched, and I'm trying to decide. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna glue this down where I think I want it, and then I'll cut off the extra. How about that? Let it dry a minute, and then we'll cut off the leftover or the extra piece there. I'm just going to do the same on all 3. Try not to get too carried away with the glue. Oh, I thought that one is a lot wider. That's weird. That's okay. We'll just trim it. I thought I'd already done that. Obviously I didn't. Oh, sorry for the sniffles. It's that time of year. Even the dogs have allergies right now. I'm like, you know it's bad when the dogs, you know, are also suffering with allergies. All right, I think that's all the glue we need, so let me put that away. And I'm not gonna need that. I don't need my eyelets now, so we'll set those aside. All right, let's go ahead and trim off extra here. And then I'm also going to round the bottoms. Hopefully this will go through everything. Hopefully, yep. I love this corner rounder. It is the best corner rounder I have ever owned. It does 3 sizes and, you know, 3 different small, medium, and large, and it just works like a champ. I've never had one that, you know, worked properly, and I've tried a bunch, so I will link that as well. Write that down so I don't forget. Okay, and I'm just using the medium now we have our 3 little, you know, tags with our little tags in the pockets, right? And then I thought we could use these little pieces from the kit and just sort of decorate these a little bit. I've got some cheesecloth. Let's see. Hopefully that's enough cheesecloth. Grab my fabric glue. Oh, this is the almost empty one. That's not the one I want to use right now. Okay. We'll add a little bit of glue under the cheesecloth, and then when we glue this down, it will hold it in place. I'm just going to put glue on the bottom portion because it is going to stick up above the pocket a little bit, and I don't want to glue everything down to itself. That would be bad. And then I have the itty bitty words as well, and for that I'm just going to use the Bearly Art glue. Like so. There we go. Cute. Let's go ahead and do this one. Whoops. What did I just say? I said I'm not going to put glue at the top, and then I went and did it anyway. So I'll just be careful when I press that down. Make sure that I don't glue it to the rest of the page. I think it'll be fine. All right, and then I'll get a word here. Maybe we'll put this one up higher. Like that. And then all right, only on the bottom this time. Okay. Oh, where's my other word? There we go. Oops. All right. So I'll show you what they look like, and then we'll put them together. So there's that one. So cute. And that one. And I'll probably, you know what, it does need something. Probably add some bling or something, maybe, but not right now because we're sort of out of time. All right, now I've got some little butterfly charms that came off of a necklace. and I'm going to use those. So through the charm first, then the tag, and then the fabric. There we go. What do you think? I think it's super cute. And I used this fabric before in another project for this same journal, so it'll kind of tie everything together. And if I decide that this fabric is like, yeah, I cut it kind of wide, I can always cut it down. All right, we almost did that in 15 minutes. I'll take it, it's close enough. All right, guys, there you go. Let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoyed that. Hope it inspired you to do something crafty today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please hit the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. I would love for you to hang out with us, and I will be back on Friday probably with the last episode in this week's challenge. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.